Getting in breaking news now in the case of Anil Deshmukh. Now his son has not received any relief. The Mumbai court has adjourned hearing in the anticipatory bail application of Hrishikesh Deshmukh till the 12th of November. There is no interim protection from arrest to the son of former Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh. Hrishikesh Deshmukh will not get any interim protection from arrest till then. Till when has it been adjourned? Do we know more about the date, the timeline, Yesha?
So, yes, Niranjan, now what we understand is that Hrishikesh Deshmukh's anticipatory bail plea was before the Sessions Court, but because the court mentioned that there was paucity of time, which is why the hearing has now been put for 12th of November. But however, he's not given any interim relief by the court until then. So ED can still take their course of action. Now, what is important to understand is that in this case, Anil Deshmukh, because he was presented himself before the ED on 1st November. On 2nd was when he was presented before the court. On 1st night, late night, was when he was arrested. 2nd, he was presented before the court and then sent to the custody for 4 days. So today was when he was present before the court. The arguments by his lawyers state that the entire remand copy has been a repetition, which is why it wasn't. Which is why the demand by Enforcement Directorate that 9 more days of custody should be given to the Enforcement Directorate of Anil Deshmukh was in fact rejected by the court. Now, we had seen that it was earlier in the day when Enforcement Directorate asked for 9 days of custody. And parallelly, even while they were investigating Anil Deshmukh, they had also summoned his son Hrishikesh Deshmukh, but he did not present himself yesterday before the Enforcement Directorate. In fact, his lawyer had asked for 15 days of time from the Enforcement Directorate, stating that they'll seek a proper legal recourse in this case, and which is why he was given that kind of an exemption. But today, the anticipatory bail application was moved. Whereas Anil Deshmukh is concerned, now he'd have to go to jail. Which jail he's being sent to has not been confirmed by the authorities yet. But what is also important to understand is that there's been no bail application that has been put forth by his legal team yet. So let us take our viewers through the entire investigation that has taken place. In June was when Anil Deshmukh was first summoned by the Enforcement Directorate, post which he was sent 5 summons from June until August. None of the instances he presented himself. He also reached out to the High Court as well as the Supreme Court seeking certain remedies, but it was only last week was when the High Court said that his plea for quashing of the summons by the Enforcement Directorate cannot hold grounds, which is why we also see that he was in fact later on had to appear before the Enforcement Directorate on 1st, and subsequently he was arrested late in the night as well, and which is where we see over the last 4 days he was investigated, and now he's been sent to the judicial custody. Yes.
Thank you for that, Yesha.